If you're a creator today, you're either hustling alone, signing with a talent agency, or you're part of a creator network. And there's a big difference between those last two. So what's the difference between a talent agency and a creator network? Let's break it down. Talent agency versus creator network. Talent agencies are like old school Hollywood. Think exclusive contracts, high barriers to entry, and they take a cut of everything. You're essentially tied to one agency and they decide what deals come your way. Sure, they've got connections, but you lose a lot of control. On the other hand, a creator network is more like joining a collective. You're part of a group, but the terms are flexible. You're not locked into one exclusive relationship, so you have the freedom to collaborate with brands and other networks. You get access to opportunities, tools, and most importantly, you keep the creative freedom that made you successful in the first place. Exclusivity versus opportunity. Here's the trade-off. Talent agencies offer exclusivity, but that comes with restrictions. Networks, they offer opportunity. You're tapping into a larger ecosystem. The catch, no one's holding your hand. You've got to be self-driven and know how to navigate the brand deals that come your way. Requirements. Both require a baseline of followers and engagement, but agencies are more selective. Networks, they're more inclusive, often working with a wide range of creators from nano influencers to big names because they know that virality isn't limited to follower counts. Bottom line, if you're a creator today, joining a network means opportunity, flexibility, and the ability to keep your creative independence. But it's on you to make the most of it. So what's your next move?